Hello everyone, it's Monday today and this is my green makeup look for the day everyone, and I love my outfit for today, and I'm wearing my high-waisted square pants, long pants with a tube style, but actually I cannot wear this outside this season because the autumn is here. So kailangan ko siyang pardigan, nababala naman ako. So, pasensya na kayo dahil bulal ako. So, kailangan ko siyang partner ng aking long cardigans and my denim jacket on top pag medyo malamig na sa labas. So, at actually talaga, it's getting iba na talaga yung weather ngayon. It's going to autumn to winter na talaga as in. But not winter, but going to autumn na talaga. So, but here in Japan, the weather here is biglang lumamig at later on, kinabukasan, bigla naman maging summer, but you know, it's autumn already. And I love my makeup, I love the color, and it's perfect for this autumn season. The green color, it's beautiful, I love it, and this is the most trendy color of the autumn also everyone. This kind of color everyone, and I love it so much. And yeah, ang akin lang naman talaga, araw-araw akong nakinig sa Senate hearing, parang attended ako sa Senate hearing about Philippines, and talagang, yun nga lang, yan ang talaga mako-comment ko, iasa na lang talaga natin sa mga sa Kongreso, sa mga Senado, sa batas ng Pilipinas, sa mga pangyayari ngayon, especially about the Pogos problem, about sa mga ganyan. But you know, parang ayoko na lang talaga i-focus yung mga ganyan kasi parang ma-stress ka lang while you are hearing the I invoke my right, which is the truth and the evidence is already show up. But you know, and that's the way it is. So, and yeah, and one and for all, talaga, gusto ko lang talagang sabihin na I avoid stress, I avoid problem, especially not mine, and I don't want to involve myself some matters na which is I'm not so included on it. So talagang sa Bisaya pa, wala na ko'y labot ninyong tanan, no? So ana lang yun kay sa Bisaya pa sad, nahuman ako sa akong kabuutan o sa akong kaayo o sa akong paghigugma nga sobra-sobra nga inyo lang giusikan, no? So ana lang yun everyone, no? So it's not necessary na talagang i-focus mo yung sarili mo. Actually, it's very traditional to be a Filipino, to love our family, to love the family, to love the family. But how about if your family not love you? You know, about YOLO din everyone, because I seen already on the scattered naman talaga sa social media about YOLO's situation naman talaga na parang kinalimutan niya na yung pamilya niya at parang inuuna yung girlfriend niyang si Goldilocks. But you know, we don't know behind that story. You know, we don't know behind that story. We cannot judge. Hindi tayo ang nasa lugar ni YOLO kung bakit siya nagkaganon. No? Because you know, sometimes, you know, traditional na kasi yan sa Pilipino everyone, na kahit wala ka, mangutang ka lang para itulong mo sa pamilya mo na hindi mo naman dapat tulungan dahil hindi naman sila mga I'm just saying, because you know, I already been on that matter, on that situation, on that kind of being very kind to the family, being nice to the family, to have a big love to my family, you know, na buong buhay mo, ginagawa mo, yung alam mo, yung nakataya na yung buhay mo para doon, para lang sa pamilya, which is our family na tinulungan natin, minahal natin, inalagaan natin, kumbaga gipalabi nato, wala tagi palabi, wala tagi pahalagaan. Hindi tayo kumbaga pinaproteksyonan in mental health and physical dahil puro stress ang binigay sa atin, puro obligasyon, puro problema. Pag tinutulungan mo, hindi din nila tinutulungan ang problema mo. So para sa akin, wag mong tulungan ang hindi marunong tumutulong sa sarili nila. Bye. Okay? Bye. That's it. Don't make it serious dahil mamatay tag sayo.